Hey guys, we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 in the 44mm size. So this is the awesome, smooth working smartwatch. You can see I'm looking at the white band here. The screen on it itself works super fast. Great for inputting any of your kind of sports that you're trying to monitor for fitness. It also detects your sleep cycles. It does have a GPS on there as well for monitoring the runs or jogs or wherever you're going outside, as well as has a fall detection. So if you're somebody worried about maybe being on your own and you want to have that security function, it will alert your close contacts if it detects that you have fallen. So great that way as well for any kind of adventures or just at home. Bluetooth is what it runs on, so it will connect to your other devices to update the information it collects. It comes in multiple different colors. I love it. Check it out.